Chelsea Flower Show is of course the most prestigious flower show in the whole world, and Bowdens have been going to Chelsea for over 30 years. I've personally done 15, and obviously we missed this year 2020 because of the current situation, but this is what our plants look like that would have normally ended up on the Chelsea Flower Show stage. As you can see, they're quite a way away from showing, because if they are to be shown they need to be fully out, not just up but out. But we're 5 weeks away, 6 weeks away from when we load the lorry, and then there's 2 weeks on top of that. So about 6 or 7, maybe 8 weeks away from being on display. And as you can see, they're all in different stages of growth, because that's what hostas do. Interestingly, the blue plants, which have that lovely wax on the leaf, the blue hostas, we water them individually so that we don't get any water on the leaves. That's always a bit of a test throughout the whole year. But they're coming up slowly, beautifully. They've all been repotted, which we do every single year. And this is part 1 of our Chelsea display. And there's another little video about part 2 as well.